Wisconsin leads the nation in whooping cough cases.
More than 3,000 reported so far this year and growing. As WISN 12 News' Abe Lebekin reports, the key to stopping the spread among kids may begin with adults.
They are almost 48 hours, so almost 2 days old.
These newborns at All Saints Hospital in Racine are not only the cutest patients, but also the most vulnerable to pertussis or whooping cough, a respiratory disease that can be fatal for infants who can stop breathing as a result of the cough.
The reason it's called whooping cough is that you cough, 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 can't catch your breath, and then you have this horrible whooping sound as you finally try to take a breath.
Dr. Margaret Hennessy heads the immunology program for Wheaton Franciscan Healthcare. She says the new numbers are alarming. State figures show 3,169 confirmed or probable cases in Wisconsin, the most in the country, and part of more than 19,000 cases nationwide. But we've seen high numbers before.
Pertussis naturally has a cycle to it.
Dr. Hennessy says a lot comes down to who is vaccinated and whether those vaccines are current.
Certainly we know that most young children who get pertussis got it from their parents.
For years, here at All Saints Hospital in Racine, they've been vaccinating mothers who've come to give birth against whooping cough. But recently, they've also started vaccinating 2 people who are going to be caring for the new infants. And they do it for free.
It's a potentially fatal disease for a newborn or for a child at all. And we feel very passionate about it.
He has like these coughing fits.
Okay. 6-month-old Kieran Wren just got his whooping cough vaccine. Babies can't get vaccinated before they reach 6 months, so during that time, his mom, Susan Bowser, made sure her son wasn't exposed to any unvaccinated people.
The thought of him getting a cough in infancy that could kill him was terrifying, to be honest with you. It even makes me nervous just thinking about it. And so there was never any doubt in my mind that I'd make sure everybody was vaccinated and that he was vaccinated too.
In Wisconsin and across the country, the challenge now is getting others to do the same, if not for themselves, for the little ones. In Racine, Abe Lebekin, WISN 12 News.
Well, for adults, whooping cough is treated with antibiotics. Dr. Hennessy says it is not clear why Wisconsin has so many more cases than the rest of the country because our vaccination rates are similar to the rest of the country.